much of a teaspoon, chili. At least a little tablespoon, or even more. Okay. 2 tablespoons. Lasciamo vedere la medaglia, no?